Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Workspaces is now available in the AWS Europe region. This development enables organizations to provision virtual desktops closer to their users, providing improved responsiveness and meeting data residency requirements. With Amazon Workspaces Personal, organizations can provide end users with personalized virtual desktop environments that meet their specific needs. Alternatively, they can opt for Workspaces pools, which allow multiple users to share a pool of virtual desktops, reducing costs and administrative burdens. The availability of Amazon Workspaces in the AWS Europe region also enables organizations to quickly scale up or down to meet changing demand, without the need for on-premises virtual desktop infrastructure. This flexibility is particularly useful for businesses that experience fluctuations in user traffic or require temporary increases in virtual desktop capacity. Amazon SageMaker now supports direct connectivity to Oracle, Amazon Document DB, and Microsoft SQL Server databases. This enhancement enables customers to seamlessly access and analyze data from these databases. With this integration, customers can directly query data and build ETL flows from their Oracle, Amazon Document DB, and Microsoft SQL Server databases. Amazon EC2 R7G instances are now available in AWS GovCloud. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 3 processors that provide up to 25% better compute performance compared to AWS Graviton 2 processors, and built on top of the AWS Nitro system. This system delivers efficient, flexible, and secure cloud services with isolated multi-tenancy, private networking, and fast local storage. Amazon EC2 R7G instances also use up to 60% less energy to reduce your cloud carbon footprint for the same performance than comparable EC2 instances. They are available in 9 different instance sizes, including bare metal, offering increased scalability. The instances provide up to 30 gigabits per second networking bandwidth and up to 20 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. To learn more about these new instances, please visit Amazon EC2 R7G. Amazon SageMaker Catalog introduces authorization policy for asset type usage, which enables organizations to exert fine-grained control over who can create and manage custom assets using specific asset types. This authorization policy-based control allows administrators to restrict the use of sensitive or proprietary templates to only authorized projects and users. For instance, a life sciences organization admin can ensure that only R&D teams can use clinical study asset types to publish clinical trial datasets, while a financial services firm can limit financial report asset types to audit or compliance teams. As a result, this feature streamlines asset creation while reducing duplication, preventing mismanagement, and maintaining governance boundaries across business units, ensuring that sensitive templates are used only by the right users in a secure and compliant manner. Amazon EC2 X2 instances are now available in the AWS Israel region. These memory-optimized instances are powered by third-generation Intel Xeon scalable processors and built with AWS Nitro system, making them ideal for memory-intensive workloads. These instances deliver improvements in performance, price performance, and cost per gig of memory compared to previous generation X1 instances. This makes them suitable for running memory-demanding applications such as SAP-certified workloads. The availability of Amazon EC2 X2 instances in the AWS Israel region supports organizations with demanding computational requirements, enabling them to deploy their applications on a scalable and high-performance infrastructure. Amazon CloudWatch Network Monitoring now allows you to monitor network performance of your AWS workloads that span multiple accounts by using flow monitors. This feature provides near real-time visibility of network performance for workloads between compute instances such as Amazon EC2 and Amazon EKS, and AWS services such as Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, and Amazon DynamoDB. With multi-account support for flow monitors, you can enable a unified onboarding experience to monitor network performance of your AWS workloads that span multiple accounts. This enables visibility of network paths for workloads that cross multiple accounts, providing a comprehensive view of network performance metrics for flows that span multiple accounts. In addition, the integration with AWS organizations allows you to monitor network performance of your AWS workloads that span multiple accounts, providing a unified view of network performance metrics for all monitored accounts. We are pleased to announce the general availability of AWS Wavelength in partnership with Verizon in Lenexa, Kansas. This marks a significant milestone in our efforts to bring low latency, local compute, storage, networking, and other building block services for edge computing to customers in the Lenexa metropolitan area. AWS Wavelength Zone enables customers to run applications using AWS infrastructure and services in AWS telco partners' data centers, addressing critical needs for low latency, data residency, and application resiliency across a wide range of industries. The new zone offers enhanced options for data localization and application resilience, particularly valuable for industries with strict regulatory compliance needs, such as financial services, healthcare, government sectors, and sports betting and gaming customers. The expansion of AWS Wavelength Zone in the AWS US East region integrates seamlessly with Amazon EC2, EBS, ALB, VPC, data transfer, and other AWS services. This allows developers to easily extend their applications to the edge, ensuring data remains within specified geographical boundaries while maintaining high performance and reliability. This new zone addresses the growing need for edge computing solutions that can handle diverse workloads while meeting complex regulatory and operational requirements. By leveraging AWS Wavelength Zone in Lenexa, Kansas, customers can now get started with our edge computing capabilities and take advantage of the benefits they offer. Amazon EC2 P5 and instances are now available in the AWS US West region. These instances are optimized for generative AI and high-performance computing applications, featuring 8 H200 GPUs with 1.7x GPU memory size and 1.4x GPU memory bandwidth compared to H100 GPUs featured in P5 instances. The combination of these GPUs with high-performance custom 4th-generation Intel Xeon scalable processors enables Gen 5 PCIe between CPU and GPU, providing up to 4x the bandwidth and boosting AI training and inference performance. P5 and instances also benefit from up to 3,200 gigabits per second of 3rd-generation EFA using Nitro v5, resulting in a 35% improvement in latency compared to P5 instances that use the previous generation of EFA and Nitro. This improvement enhances collective communications performance for distributed training workloads such as deep learning, generative AI, real-time data processing, and high-performance computing applications. To address customer needs for large-scale at low latency, P5 and instances are deployed in Amazon EC2 Ultra clusters, providing market-leading scale-out capabilities for distributed training and tightly coupled HPC workloads. Amazon RDS for Oracle now supports Oracle Application Express version 24.2. This version is compatible with both 19C and 21C versions of Oracle Database. Apex is a low-code development platform that enables developers to build applications entirely within their web browser. Support for Apex 24.2 is available in all AWS regions where Amazon RDS for Oracle is available. Amazon SageMaker has introduced 14 new built-in visual ETL transforms that enable ETL developers to quickly build more sophisticated data pipelines without writing custom code for common transform tasks. These new transforms include format timestamp, split string, regex extractor, auto balance processing, UUID, identifier, unpivot columns into rows, pivot rows into columns, parse JSON column, extract JSON path, lookup, router, select from collection, and order by. These visual ETL transforms provide a drag-and-drop interface for building ETL flows and authoring flows with Amazon Q Developer, addressing unique data processing needs. The new format timestamp transform allows developers to format timestamps in a dataset, while the split string transform enables splitting of strings into multiple columns. The regex extractor transform extracts specific patterns from text using regular expressions, and the auto balance processing transform automatically adjusts the processing power based on the size of the input data. Additionally, the UUID transform assigns a unique identifier to each row in the dataset, while the identifier transform allows developers to assign a numeric identifier for each row. The unpivot columns into rows and pivot rows into columns transforms enable developers to convert data structures, such as unpivoting columns into rows or pivoting rows into columns. The parse JSON column and extract JSON path transforms allow developers to convert JSON strings into data structures or arrays and extract specific paths from JSON data. Furthermore, Amazon SageMaker now supports Amazon S3 tables via the Amazon SageMaker Lakehouse node, providing flexibility in accessing and previewing data in place across S3 tables. Amazon EC2 Flex instances larger sizes are now available in the Asia-Pacific region, specifically in Seoul. These new instance sizes provide additional compute options to scale up existing workloads or run larger-sized applications that require more memory. The new instances are powered by custom 4th-gen Intel Xeon scalable processors, which offer up to 15% better performance over comparable x86-based Intel processors utilized by other cloud providers. Amazon Elastic Block Store announces the general availability of provisioned rate for volume initialization, a feature that enables fully performant Amazon EBS volumes from Amazon EBS snapshots with predictability. This feature helps speed up Amazon EC2 instance launches at scale, disaster recovery, and volume copy workflows by providing durable, block-level storage devices attached to Amazon EC2 instances. With provisioned rate for volume initialization, you can launch hundreds of instances from Amazon EBS-backed Amazon machine images at the same time and know that the attached volumes will be fully performant within a predictable amount of time. You can specify a volume initialization rate when creating new volumes from snapshots, launching new instances from Amazon EBS-backed AMIs, replacing root volumes of instances, or provisioning volumes using the Amazon EBS Container Storage Interface driver. Additionally, you can specify the rate of volume initialization in launch templates, applying the same rate to all instances launched by the template. This feature is available in all AWS commercial regions and the AWS GovCloud regions, through the AWS console, AWS command line interface, AWS SDKs, and AWS CloudFormation. For pricing information, please visit the EBS pricing page. Amazon Verified Permissions now supports policy store tagging, enabling customers to assign simple key-value pairs to policy stores. This feature allows for better cost allocation, access control, and search functionality within the account. By tagging a policy store for a specific tenant, customers can restrict access to that policy store using IAM permissions. Additionally, AWS cost allocation tags can be used to categorize and allocate costs by tenant, team, department, or application. This feature simplifies the process of searching for policy stores within an account through the console, making it easier to manage multiple policy stores. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.